Alright, so I'm going to do a quick teardown of this Invacare controller. It's the DK-PMC28 Mark 690 with accessories. There's the revision number, made in China. Heavy duty aluminum. On the back it's got, this is for like a tilting feature, the controller, the motor, battery, and the other motor. So let's open this thing up. I'm gonna pause the camera and open it up, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I got it open. This is the back of the enclosure. Really nice aluminum enclosure. It's got a gasket. This is the front, and it's basically a giant heat sink. So this is the front. They assume they're triacs or something. I don't know. I'm not an electrical engineer, but you can see for the motor controller, they put the little thermal pads on there. So this side's for one motor, and this side's for another motor. It's got a chip, and it's all really nice connectors. It's a surprisingly nice little controller for the wheelchair. I mean, it has to be, considering it's a wheelchair. But I found it interesting. It's made by a company called Dynamic, the Shark PMC28 series by Dynamic Controls in New Zealand. So kind of interesting. It's the Invacare branding on the actual box, but the controller's actually made in New Zealand. So I find that pretty interesting. Most things are made in China. Well, I guess this does say made in China, but the board must be the design of this company. So it's got a big heavy duty relay here. I don't know if this board could be modified to work with an RC controller or not. I imagine, I think it uses between 0 and 5 volts on the controller, but I'm gonna have to mess around with it a little bit. It's a pretty nice little board. So there you have it. That's what's inside an Invacare wheelchair controller.